Hi everyone, I am Prasad. Welcome to Professor Spark channel. This is 14th class for electrostatics chapter. Let's go to solve some problems. A charge 1 coulomb particle of a mass 0.1 kg is at rest at x is equal to 0 in electric field E is equal to 20 minus 5x. See here, a charge particle 1 coulomb is at x is equal to 0. Rest means its velocity is 0. Electric field is given E is equal to 20 minus 5x. Initially at origin mean x is equal to 0. Substitute in this equation, then we get E is equal to 20. So E is positive. So force is positive. So force is along this direction. That means acceleration is also along this direction. So charged particle is moving along this particle, going on, its velocity is increasing because A is positive here. See, observe this function. When x is increasing, so minus value is also increasing, so E becomes decreasing, and somewhere it become negative. When electric field is negative, that means force is along this direction, so acceleration is also along this direction, hence its velocity is decreasing. Suppose at this the point electric field turns to negative, that means electric field is 0. So at this the point, so before this the point its velocity is increasing, so at this the point its velocity become maximum. After that electric field is negative, so its velocity is going on decreasing, somewhere it becomes 0. Suppose velocity is 0 at this the point and returns back towards left side because force is along this direction. So this is maximum displacement. So this is maximum displacement. So at the maximum displacement, velocity 0. So I want a relation between V and X, then we get the answer. See here, E is given 20 minus 5x. So electric field is given E is equal to 20 minus 5x. So you know F is equal to EQ. Q is given 1 coulomb. E is given 20 minus 5x. 20 minus 5x into 1, that is 20 minus 5x. F is equal to MA. We know that M is equal to 0.1. So bring 0.1 this towards this side, then it becomes 0.1 is nothing but 1 by 10. So into 10. See here in both terms we take the common 5. So 5 is common. So 5 4s are 5 1s are into 10. So 10 into 5, that is 50. So this is acceleration displacement relation equation. So but I want to V and X relation. We know A is equal to V into dV by dx. So that is 50 into 4 minus x. So bring dx towards this side. So this is a function of x and this is the function of v. So now we take both side integration, then we get, see here, initial velocity. So from the data x is equal to g, at x is equal to 0, it is the rest mean its velocity is 0. So initial conditions for velocity is 0 and x is also 0. Suppose its velocity is v after x is equal to x. So this is x So this is the V and this is the X. Now evaluate integration on both sides. Say integration V dV, we know that is V square by 2 from 0 to V. See here, so V square by 2, that is, so final value is V. Substitute in this equation, then we get V square by 2. Substitute 0 in place of V, that is 0 square by 2. So this is final, initial, final minus initial, that is change. So 0 square by 2 is nothing but 0. So this is V square by 2. So integration 50 into 4 minus x. 50 is number. So bring 50 before the integration. Then 0 to x. 4 minus x dx. So there are two terms. One is the 4. Another one is minus. So integration split into two parts. Integration 4 dx, so that is 4x. So this is 4x from 0 to x. So substitute x value in this, so integration, so that is 4x. Integration x, that is x square by 2. So upper limit is x, lower limit is 0. So final value substitute in this equation. Then x square by 2. Initial value, that is 0. Substitute in this equation, that is 0 square by 2. So this is 0. So this is x square by 2. See here. So we get 50 into 4x minus x square by 2. So this is the condition for, so this is the equation, relation between x and velocity. So see here, so what is the problem here? We want to find the maximum displacement. At the maximum displacement, velocity is 0. So substitute velocity is 0. Then x become maximum displacement. So V 0 substitute in this value of V, then 0 square by 2, 50 into 4x minus x square by 2. So this is 0. Bring 50 toward this side. So 0 by 50, that is 0. Bring minus x square by 2 toward this side. Then it becomes plus x square by 2. So one of the x cancel and x is equal to 2, 4 into 2, that is 8. So at x is equal to 8, so at x is equal to, so maximum displacement is 8. So this is x maximum. X maximum. Okay. So x maximum is equal to 8. So towards positive x-axis, it is covered. Maximum is 8. Next, what is the question? What is the maximum velocity toward the x-axis? See here, V has a maximum. At the point V maximum, electric field is 0. So, at which displacement E becomes 0? Look here, E is 0. That is 20 minus 5x. So 5x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 4. See here, at x is equal to 4, E is become 0. Electric field is 0. For x is less than 4, electric field is positive. For x is greater than 4, electric field is negative. See here. So E is positive before x is equal to 4. So up to this value, velocity going on increasing. When it become negative, so its velocity going on decreasing. So at this the point, particle has maximum velocity at x is equal to 4. See what is the velocity and displacement equation? So this is v square by 2 is equal to 50 into 4x minus x square by 2. So bring 2 towards this side, then it become 100. Okay, so at x is equal to 4, v has maximum. So substitute x is equal to 4 in this equation, then we get v square is equal to 100 into 4 into 4 minus 4 square by 2. So 4 square is nothing, 4 into 4 means 16. So 4 square means 16. 2, 8, 8 the 16. 16 minus 8, that is 8. 8 into 100, that is 800. So bring square this side, it become root. So v is equal to root 100, that is 10 root 8. Root 8 is nothing but 2 root 2. 10 into 2, that is 20. 20 root 2. So its velocity maximum. So this is v maximum 20 root 2. Next, what is the acceleration of the particle when it is at x is equal to 1? So we have equations. Look here. So this is acceleration and displacement equation. So at x is equal to 1. See here, alright. A is equal to 50 into 4 minus x. Okay, at x is equal to 1, so substitute here 1, we get the a value. So a is equal to 50 into 4 minus 1, so that is 3. 3 into 40, 3 into 40, that is 120. So that is 120 meter per second square. Suppose at x is equal to 1, what is its velocity? Then x is equal to 1, substitute in this equation, then we get the velocity. Now next the problem. A charged body Q is divided into two parts and separated distance d. What should be the value of charges on the body so that we get the maximum force between them? So the problem is Q is divided into two parts. Suppose one body has a charge q x, definitely another body get q minus x. Okay, so total charge is q. So here one body has get x, other body get q minus x. So these are separated at distance d. Now force between them is F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1, that is x, q2 q minus x by distance is d square. See here, what is the question? What is the maximum force? So mostly in such a case, to find the maximum or minimum, we use differentiation and integration techniques to evaluate that problem. See here, force is depend upon the charge. See here, charge is x, so force is the function of the x. So we get the maximum force, that means df by dx should be 0. So this is the maximum force, that is d by dx of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught x into q minus x by d square, that is 0. See here, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught d square. So that is the constant terms. So that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught d square into d by dx. So bring constant, this term towards this side. So 0 into get 4 pi epsilon naught d square. So 0 into anything is 0. So this is 0. Okay, d by dx of x into q minus x. D by dx of x into q minus x square should be 0. D by dx of x cube minus x square, that is equal to 0. So d by dx of x cube, that is q, minus d by dx of x square, that is 2x, should be 0. So q is equal to 2x. So x should be q by 2. So one of the part x is equal to q by 2, another part is q minus q by 2. So q minus q by 2 is nothing but q by 2. So if charge is divided into q by 2 and q by 2, then we get the maximum force.